Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sallo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do make sure that you do share this video. So, you guys, currently trending would have to be Sangoma and singer Okeli Kumalo. You guys, after her alleged relationship, let me not say alleged, but her relationship with Asama Fugade, because it looks like it wasn't a publicity stunt like people thought that it is. They are actually in a relationship, you guys, and Ongati Ukeli Kumalo is pregnant, allegedly also. You guys, the two have been posting videos and pictures of themselves on social media, and people put 1+1 and they got two, and it looks like they are indeed a couple. So just 2 days ago, Okeli Kumalo was with Arthur at a certain place, and Okeli Kumalo performed, and the way in which Arthur called her on stage, my wife, like he called Okeli Kumalo my wife on a stage, you guys, and also held that stomach, and people insinuated that Okeli Kumalo might be pregnant, might have the bun, in the oven. It looks like Asama Fokate confirmed that he is in a relationship with Ukeli Kumalo, and people speculated as to whether they're married or not. People are kind of at this point going out on, in the comment section to try and warn Asama Fokate, saying that he is probably the next person to, you know, cross over to the other side, because they accused Okeli Kumalo of, if you're in a relationship with her, then definitely as a man you're gonna cross over. That's what people are saying, you guys. So let me not waste your time. I'll quickly insert this video. Before I do that, do make sure that you do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Ngibhekile ngithi yebo ngiyeziseka mnandi nami ngiyawuthanda sweet lami lo mkhuhlane kushoda one thing kumele sithole i-bundle of joy.
What are you telling people? What are you telling people? What? No, no.
Must I continue?
No.
Yeah?
Ngeke basikhethe thina siyathandana soze washintsha angeke balunge ngeke basikhethe thina siyathandana soze washintsha once more.